In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money manually to your Meta Ads Manager account. Whether you're using the Meta Ads Manager app or accessing it through your desktop, these steps will help you seamlessly fund your advertising endeavors. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Meta Ads Manager account. Once that's done, you'll need to find your way to either the settings or the billing and payments section. These sections are designed to give you an overview and control over all financial aspects of your advertising efforts. If you're on the app, you can usually find these options in the main menu. On the desktop, you may see them along the navigation bar or within a drop-down menu, depending on how your interface is organized. Next, you'll select your ad account. This step is crucial, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Make sure you've chosen the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Then proceed by tapping on the billing and payments option. This will take you to a page where you can see the financial overview of your ad account, including your current balance and any recent transactions. It's always a good idea to double check this information to ensure everything looks right before adding more funds. Now, in the available funds section, you'll want to tap on Add Funds. This part is particularly straightforward but immensely important. As you do this, you're given the opportunity to specify exactly how much money you'd like to add to your account. This flexibility allows you to precisely manage your ad budget according to your needs and strategy. Consider the pacing of your campaigns and how much exposure and interaction you need when deciding the amount to add. Once you've entered the amount, go ahead and tap Next. Here, you're prompted to choose a payment method. You have the option to select from an existing payment method or add a new one. This could be a credit card, a debit card, or another preferred option that you've linked to your Meta account. When selecting or setting up your payment method, make sure all details are up to date and accurate to prevent any delays or issues with the transaction. After choosing your payment method, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. This usually involves reviewing the payment details and, in some cases, confirming through security steps designed to protect your financial data. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this part to avoid interruptions, particularly when entering sensitive information. With everything completed, your newly added funds should now appear in your available funds section almost immediately, allowing you to continue running or setting up those all-important ad campaigns. Remember, keeping track of your account balance and regularly updating your payment methods can help you manage your Meta ads smoothly, ensuring your campaigns never miss a beat due to lack of funding. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to add more money, and your advertising efforts will continue to thrive. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.